Alright, here is a collaboration with myself and Lee and Lizzy Vintage Food Review. If you have not checked out their channel, please do. Lee and Lizzy Vintage Food Review, they do silent film style food reviews. Really, really cool. Very avant-garde. This here is the BLT, BLT Ranch hand-breaded chicken sandwich from Hardee's / Carl's Jr. Alright, visually it's got a good look. Let's see how it tastes. It's a pretty good first bite. That is a pretty good first bite. Oh, great. So I'm interested now. Let me get this so I can get that tomato and bacon in on this bite. Yeah, that ranch really comes through, and I've always liked bacon on a fried chicken sandwich. That's a pretty good sandwich. I'm going to say it's not a Popeyes, and it's not a Burger King Chiking, but it is a good sandwich. I'm going to go 4 out of 10 flushes. You saw it right, you heard it right. Now tell me how wrong it is. P.S. Tell somebody you love them.